If you're trying to access Udemy Business for free but can't figure out how people actually get it, here's the simplest and legitimate way to access access Udemy Business without paying individually. You first need access through an organization or trial opportunity. Start by opening your browser and going to the Udemy Business website. On the homepage, scroll until you see the option labeled Request Demo or Get Your Demo, then click it. A form will appear asking for basic information like your name, work email, company name, and company size. Fill out the form and submit it. After submitting the form, Udemy will send instructions to the email address you provided. Once you receive the email, open it and follow the link included. This link usually directs you to a custom organization portal, which typically looks like companyname.udemy.com. From there, you can create your account or sign in and start exploring the course library if demo access is available. In many cases, organizations provide access through invitations or licenses, so users normally join through an invite link or company portal provided by an administrator, and that's how you can access Udemy Business through demo or organization-based access. Once your account is set up, you can start exploring the available courses and learning resources inside the platform. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.